Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on oppo mobile. Friends, you want to take a screenshot, and today friends I will show you guys touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot. Friends, when you will touch with your three finger on your screen, friends, you can take a screenshot. How to use this setting? Let's see. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of interface on your mobile. Friends, click on tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see guys navigation setting. Friends, you want to use guys your three button navigation, your gesture setting you can use from here. And friends, click on screenshot setting. Friends, you can see screenshot setting. Friends, you want to take guys your screenshot with your three finger guys, swipe down. Friends, you can on after on friends, you can take screenshot with three finger. You don't want to take friends, you can off from here, you can on from here. Friends, I will on three finger touch and hold to take a screenshot. Friends, you can see take a partial or scrolling screenshot. Friends, touch with your three finger and hold here. And friends, you can select your screenshot guys. You want to take guys your short screenshot, you want to take guys your full screenshot, you can select and you can crop here. You can select friends, you want to add it, you want to send, so you can add it. Friends, click on edit option. Friends, you want to text here edit, so when you can add example guys, I will enter a screenshot and I will save here. Friends, you want to save, friends, you want to change this color, so you can change color also and you can save here. Right side friends, your screenshot will save on your gallery. Friends, you can see screenshot will add it. And friends, you want to delete, friends, you can delete. Friends, you want to rename, so you can rename from here. You want to share get the screenshot, you can share from here guys. Tap here send. Friends, you want to send, so you can share from here nearby. So guys, I will delete the screenshot. So like that friends, we can take a screenshot, touch and hold with three finger. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Friends, you don't want to use, so you can off. After friends, when you will touch, you will hold. Friends, you cannot take a screenshot. Yeah, friends, you can see volume and guys down button and power button to take screenshot. Friends, you can take full screenshot, power button and friends volume down button guys, you can take a screenshot. So guys, you like your screenshot three finger touch and hold, so you can on and you can take a screenshot guys, touch and hold, take a screenshot. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.